Hey guys, today we're going to be doing another glamorous look. It's that time of year, so Valentine's Day is just around the corner. Some of us are going to be sad and lonely, just like me. No, for Valentine's Day I'm going to be relaxing with ice cream, snacks, some good movies. Just, feeling myself, good vibes all around. So leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys will be up to for Valentine's Day. Also give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to. That would be amazing. But anyway, let's get back to this glamorous makeup look. I've tried to make it super simple and easy for you guys, so you are going to look like you've put in so much effort for Valentine's Day, but it is literally like 2 things on the eyes. It is so simple and easy, you're going to be mind blown. So we're starting with the eyeshadow today. You guys saw that I put a really nice light brown on, and now we're taking a red through the crease. This has to be one of my ultimate favorite eyeshadow palettes. Actually because of the bright yellow and the bright red in it. Like, I love those 2 shades, especially together. They look so pretty as a sunset eye. But today we're just using the red because it's Valentine's Day. So we've taken that through the crease, and you guys can see I'm blending it out really thinly. So the cool thing about this red is that you can use it quite thick and it turns into like a really nice neon red. Or if you blend it out really thinly, it looks really pinky red, which they're Valentine's Day colours, aren't they? So I'm going to do that for the eyes, and then we are going to be using something so exciting. As soon as I got these, I almost weed my pants. Like, that's how excited I was. You guys know me, I'm so bad at pronouncing names, but these are the SUVA eyeliners. It's spelled S-U-V-A. So they're like a little paint bottle basically. You add water to it, so you guys could see before that's what I was doing. I've got a couple of other neon colours, so you guys are going to see some really funky tutorials coming up with these. But for Valentine's Day, I thought red would be stunning. So we're just using a really small eyeshadow. If I was using an eyeshadow brush, that would be so hard to do eyeliner with. So we're using an eyeliner brush, and we are doing dramatic wings. Of course, you guys don't have to do them as intense as me. I just like to be flying up to heaven with my winged eyeliner, apparently. So you could do smaller wings, thinner wings, thicker wings, whatever you like. It's more so the colours for Valentine's Day. So this is like a stunning red, so it will look really pretty with the eyeshadow. And then we're also going to be doing a really nice bold bright lip, which will be so damn good. So foundation, you guys can see I'm a pasty white ghost. Yes, we will sort it out soon. We're going to be putting some contour and bronzer on me. I cannot wait, because every time I'm sitting filming videos and I've just got a blank face on like this, I feel so awkward that you guys are seeing me like this. Like, my face just does not look the greatest, let's be real here. But we're just touching up the bottom of the eyes, so you guys can see I'm using the exact same 2 shadows. We've just taken the light brown that we used in the crease and smoked out the lower lash line, and then added the red on top. And all we're going to do to finish the eyes soon is put mascara on. That's literally how simple and easy this tutorial is. But when I wore this makeup the other day, I got so many compliments. Like, it was crazy. It's really flattering, actually. So I thought if I showed you guys how to do it, you could get all the compliments too. Especially for Valentine's Day, who doesn't like feeling nice? So eyes are all finished, except for mascara, of course. But we are contouring my face. Finally, I look normal. I look like I've got colour. So I've used a MAC powder. I really like their sheer press powders for contouring, because the formula is really thin, but it blends so nicely over top of foundation. So I'm using the shade NW50. Very dark, but great for contouring, which is awesome. And then I've just put a little bit of bronzer on top. So I've used the Mineralize Skin Finish and Medium Dark on top to give me a bit more warmth over top of the contour. Guys, as soon as I started putting this blush on, you can't tell in camera, but my heart started beating so quickly, and I was thinking, I've ruined the makeup, it looks horrible, because I decided it was a really great idea to use the same eyeshadow as a blimmin' blush. So I put it on, and then I was like, oh, what have I done? But in hindsight, now it turns out really pretty. It just looks like a really nice flush of colour on the cheeks, and I think the highlighter really softened it and made it look really put together. So the highlighter I've used is a Becca one. I for the life of me cannot remember the name, so I'll leave it down below for you guys, but it's like a pearlized white, so it's really pretty on the skin. But yeah, we need a little bit of colour on the cheeks just because we've got so much colour on the eyes and the lips, but you don't really want to go overboard, so I feel like this was a good in-betweener. Eyebrows, we need to sort these out because every time I put foundation on and I don't have my eyebrows sorted, I feel like an 80-year-old lady because my eyebrows literally turn grey. Like, I accidentally get foundation on my eyebrows, and it's because I'm lazy and messy when I put my foundation on, let's be real. But it turns my eyebrows grey, so you guys can see how much better they look now. I've just lightly defined them, nothing crazy. It's just nice and easy. And the lips, this is so cool because we've done like a simple glitter lip. This is a Maybelline lipstick. In hindsight, I probably would have used something a little bit more matte just because this is a creamy matte finish, and I did find that it bled out in the corners of my lips, so it was something I had to touch up throughout the day. But we're putting the bold red on, and of course you could leave it just as simple as this, but for us today, of course, there's like a massive truck driving past my house. Goodbye. Then we're going to put glitter on. So we're just using this NYX glitter and we are dusting that all over the lips. I took a photo in the light to send on Snapchat to someone while I had this on, and it caught so pretty in the light. So maybe we could start doing glitter lips all the time so we have really pretty glittery lips. We are now coming close to the end. I'm so excited for you guys to see the final look. We've just got to put some mascara on. I honestly had so much fun creating this Valentine's look. It's so nice being able to use really vibrant neon colors, and red is one of my favorites, so obviously I'm living for this look. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would really appreciate if you could give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll leave a couple of my latest videos down in the bio part below so you guys can check those out if you want to as well. I hope you guys have a really great day, and if I don't see you before then, have an awesome Valentine's Day, whether you're with friends, family, yourself, or your partner, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!